I want to talk to you about this distributed property. So this is the worksheet that you have. We're going to look at just a few of these ones over here. We've worked with distributed property before, and this worksheet's pretty good in that it tells us what to do. It uses arrows. You know, I like to use arrows. I'm multiplying this 3 by both terms inside of these parentheses. I can tell you that if you were to do this, 15 times 3 is 45. Well, they've broken it down. I can do 3 times 6 plus 3 times 9. That's what I have here. 3 times 6 plus 3 times 9. We've done this before, but now we're going to do it in terms of an equation. So I have 5 times x minus 8 gives me 10. All right, so I got to think about this and say I have 5 times x and 5 times minus 8 equals 10. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times minus 8 is 40. So my equation from this turns into this. 5 times x minus 5 times 8, and that gives me 5x minus 40. This is a two-step equation that we've seen before. No drama, no issue there. Minus 40 plus 40, that gets rid of that. Plus 10 plus 40 gives me 50. So 5x equals 50 now, because I've added 40 to both sides. I'm going to divide by 5. So 5x divided by 5 is x. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Let's look at it, and let's look at it in something vertical here. I want to do 6 times x plus 6 times 3 is the actual math you're doing there. 6 times 3, that's plus times 3, equals 48. And I'm just simplifying this. 6x plus 18 equals 48. This is something I've seen before. This is just a two-step equation, no big deal. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides because I want to get rid of this 18. Think of my socks and shoes. This is taking my shoes off. 6x equals 30. Now I'm going to take my socks off. If I'm multiplying, the inverse is to divide. X equals 30 divided by 6 is 5. Let's jump to this one over here. 12 times x, 12 times 20. It's important that we think about that as that's what we have there. Okay, 12 times x is 12x. 12 times 20 is a large number, so 240 equals 372. I'm going to take my shoes off, get rid of that other thing hanging out there. I have 12x equals, let's see, 2, 3, 132. I'm going to divide both sides by 12, and I get, let's write it over here. X equals 132 divided by 12 is 11. All right? Let's do a tougher level one here. I've got this parentheses and this distribution, and then I have this extra minus on the outside, minus 4. Again, I'm distributing my 5 in. 5x plus 45. I bring this minus 4 down, and it still equals 51. Well, I can start to combine these things that are hanging out there. Plus 45 minus 4. So 5x, 45 minus 4 is 41, equals 51. I'm going to subtract 41 from both sides, and I'll get 5x equals 10. 51 minus 41. So when I divide both sides by 5, I get x equals 2. All right, and the last one, we'll do this quick one right here. 9x, 9 times 9. So 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 9 is positive 81. And remember, if this is a positive, it's a positive times a positive. But if it's a negative, like up here, this is 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times minus x is minus 4x equals 8. All right? Over here, I have 12 times x is 12x. 12 times minus 4 is minus 48. Okay? Oh, it's not 140. That's 144, friends. So 9x plus 81 equals 90. And we might be able to look at this and figure this one out. I'm going to subtract 81 from both sides. And I have 9x equals 9. So x must equal 1, because I'm going to divide both sides by 9. 9 over 9 is 1. Awesome. That's it. I want y'all to try 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15, 16. All right?